Looking for women running jackets deals for this Christmas? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, you'll be ready for rainy, blustery days in this women's running jacket. Made of breathable fabric that repels water and stands up to wind. It's cut slim, with pre-shaped elbows for natural, unrestricted movement, by Adidas. Number 2, it's hot, humid and you just finished a satisfying 5 km run with your friends. When you pull out your car key, you find it safely dry thanks to the sweat-proof pocket. Today is a good day, another great product by Adidas. Number 3, the Asics Performance Breeze Knit Jacket is a perfect outer layer when the weather is chilly and you're in the mood to move. Reflective Asics branding, reflective bars at the back and on cuffs for visibility, by Asics. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.